Okay. Before start lecture, can you please explain me about this website which we are going to test today?
It's a bank website.
Okay.
I have. I will try. Uh, I will try to hack this website using burp suite.
Mm-hmm.
I will get the user ID and password using burp suite.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is what we did last time.
Yes, 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 right. See, Martin sir, do one thing,
Yeah.
okay? When you executing any command or what you performing there, let just explain each command so I can also understand what you are doing here. It's just suppose I am your student and you teaching
Okay.
me, right? According to that, let me elaborate your all steps what you typed here and what was the meaning of this step.
Okay.
Mm.
So first of all, I will start this uh, Docker
Mm-hmm.
vulnerability bank that website. Temporarily, I will host it there,
Okay.
and now I will try whether uh,
Okay.
I think I lost that command.
Mm-hmm. So you can check
Uh,
this command on you know GitHub repository.
okay,
GitHub.com/HackSudo, right?
let it come down. One minute.
So command is docker compose, है ना?
This one, right? Sudo docker compose of D
हाँ.
that I already executed. The first
Okay.
command.
Mm-hmm.
This one. Can you see this one?
Then no configuration files provided. Not okay. So you must be go in that folder first. So where you downloaded that code in one sat bank, right?
Yeah, yeah. I'm already there. Yeah.
Right. Now again fire this command docker compose update. Correct. So what does this command work for? This command work for to build your code and it will be start your server. See,
Okay.
we are hosting it on the web applications, okay,
Yeah.
Apache servers,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
So on the port number 80 something, okay. And there is
Yeah.
another services, MySQL services, which is run on the 3306 port number. And because of you
Okay.
already run this command and started it, previous time, that's why in background my SQL services already running. So when you
Yeah.
executing docker compose up hyphen d command, it's showing you already already in use. So for that you
Yeah.
need to stop that services, right? Correct. So command is
Yeah.
service my stop, done, service is stop. Now when again you come start docker compose up
Docker
command,
command. Okay.
yeah, then it will be properly start. Correct. Now starting, it's
Yeah.
creating a container. So you must be know what is a concept of container. Okay. So container is
Yeah.
nothing but it's look like or it is a same like virtual box. You started a
Hmm.
virtual box and where you run a Kali Linux, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
the size of Kali Linux is too much, like 10 MB GB or something like after
Okay.
extraction. So
Okay.
it gives you a graphical interface as well. But now in a Docker concept, what actually Docker use for it is creating such a same simulator or creating same instance like virtual box. But
Okay.
for Docker, it's a CLI mode or it's a lightweight. Okay.
Hmm.
So if
Hmm.
I use Kali Linux in VirtualBox, it may be 10 GB, but in a Docker, it may be 20, 200 or 300 MB only. So size is too
Okay.
small. So
Okay.
yeah, that's why we use this. So we just hosted a Apache services and I'll uploaded a code through the Docker and it's running.
Hmm.
Nah, right. Now what is the next step?
Uh, I have to host HTTP, right? That one.
Oh no no no! It's already done behind. That
Okay.
when you executing Docker Compose, everything is run.
Okay.
Everything is happen in that container. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Apache started a code running. It giving you all command. Which is necessary to host any website. So I
Okay.
already keep some code in that image, and when you executing only Docker Compose, it means whatever I did configuration that automatically run,
Hmm.
and it give you only IP address. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. If you
Hmm.
download this entire code from the GitHub, what it happen? You need to configure entire Apache websites. You need to configure everything like installing the MySQL, giving the database connectivity, giving the permission and all. So once you done this all, then your website will be host. So this is a huge manual configurations, right?
Okay.
But in a Docker Compose or in a Docker concept, you just need to fire a single command, and that's all.
Hmm.
Done.
Okay.
Simple. The next
Okay.
step is what? Just fire a IP address in your browser and see. So your IP address, I hope so. It's a localhost IP address we usually use 127.0.0.1. Yeah, or localhost
Localhost, right?
correct. Yes, yes, yes. Right. So show me a couple of vulnerabilities which we already done. So that's help me for to understand how much or how many vulnerability you learned till now.
Pineapple.
Now, see, I already told you. Please explain me what you're doing there, right? So if
Okay.
it is possible.
I'm just trying to log in the website
Okay.
using using user ID and password hyphen or dot equals. uh, hyphen equal the same user ID password.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now I will try to transfer some money
Mm-hmm.
from account number 1 to 2,
Okay.
500 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
I will send. Vishal, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
ഏതിലെങ്കിലും ഒക്കെ നോക്കാം ഇവിടെ ഇവിടെ മറ്റേതിലുണ്ട് ആ ഓക്കെ നൗ സോറി വിശാൽ
Huh.
now the amount is deducted. Now what I will do, I will transfer the ulta. I will transfer 2 to 1.
Mm.
അത് കിട്ടാതില്ല. I will transfer 1000. Transfer completed.
Mm.
This is one vulnerability.
Mm. So, what is the name of this vulnerability?
The name I forgot.
See, this is we call IDR vulnerability because we just change the ID number and inserting others user ID number. So it's
Okay.
obviously it's come under the IDR vulnerability, right? Or we can call it a broken access control also. So due to
Okay.
the no access, not proper access, a broken access, it's happened, right? That application
Yeah.
fail to verify that user है ना, is authorized or not, or then it's
Okay.
performing the transfer the money, right? So broken access means what? Access control. There are concept in the cyber security or while you doing the development process. So access control is what if there are hundreds of user and each user have their own privilege. So none of
Okay.
the user will be access others account or profile. If any user you know access others profile, it means what access control we given to user they are broken it,
Okay.
or you can say like it's a they broking it and trying to exploit other user. So it's come under the broken access control, and obviously by UID user ID changing it's
Yeah.
happened due to it's come under the insecure direct object reference like IDOR
Okay.
vulnerability.
Okay.
Okay, IDOR means what? We are directly changing any other's object. So what is the object here? User ID. So my user ID
Okay.
is 1, other user ID 2. So what if I change user ID? We just changing object.
Okay.
So it happened. So if
Mm-hmm.
object change, it's called insecure direct object reference vulnerability.
Okay.
And
Okay.
even we can say like missing authorization issue, improper authorization. So this website is not giving proper authorization. Proper authorization means what? I log in as a Alice user. I am a authorized user. Okay?
Okay.
I'm authorized
Okay.
user. If you are a Martin user and you log in, then you are a authorized Martin user for your
Yeah.
account. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if I don't know your password, still I can transfer your account, money from your account. It means what? I am not authorized to transfer
Okay.
money from your account. So this
Okay.
vulnerability called missing authorization or improper authorization. Okay?
Mm. Mm.
Or say like business logic vulnerability also like flows in application transfer uh, unauthorized fund. So
Okay.
yeah, there are number of name for this vulnerability. So it's a common like IDOR and business logic flow vulnerability.
Okay.
Okay. Huh.
Yeah.
So done. So next, please, what we did next vulnerability.
Uh, then we started Bucksuit.
Okay.
Bucksuit. I think we started from.
Acha, brute force attack.
Sorry.
You want to try brute force attack or what?
Yeah, this is what you taught me, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Maksud, I
Eh,
was
see,
I forgot how to start. Yeah.
let do one thing. Let do one thing. Is
Yeah.
there any icons like a top right side of your Kali Linux?
Okay.
No, 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 not this right. System ka right side, like your left side,
Okay.
top corner.
Kali.
Yeah,
Yeah.
click on there
Yeah.
and search Babsuit.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes. Sorry.
maybe it take a little time to
Yeah.
start.
Time. Yeah. Yeah.
We want to explore another vulnerabilities today, okay? And I'm
Yeah.
not going to show you from my side because see, once you done this vulnerability by your side,
Hmm.
it will help you a lot to understand. Because when I
Okay.
am telling you, I am explaining you, you can just understand. But
Yeah.
till you not doing in your side,
Yeah.
still you cannot understand actual how that vulnerability work and how to exploit it.
Okay.
Okay. So why we use Bubsuit?
Maksud will give a. It will help me to intercept the traffic within my system.
Acha, good. Within your browser,
Sorry.
it intercept traffic from your browser.
Yeah. Yeah. I should open browser, right?
Yes, yes. Okay. What are you doing now?
I'm opening that bank website and my interceptor is on.
Yes, yes, yes. Right. Great. Good. So now, today, your agenda is to do brute force attacks on this website, right?
Okay.
Okay. What are you looking for in Babsuit?
User ID and password.
User ID and password. Okay. So just assume this website having a login page, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I don't know user and password. So how to find user and password? Using brute force attack. So for
Yeah.
that, you use Babsuit, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Do one thing, Martin. Listen
Yeah.
carefully, right?
Yeah.
So when
Yeah.
when you started the intercept on it sending the request from browser to Babsur, right? So there are
Okay.
two requests. So till you not forward that two requests, the next page will not open.
Okay.
So it's stuck on Babsut, right?
Okay.
So you
Okay.
must be understand if you are turn on your Babsut ka intercept on, always remember click on the forward button. Click
Okay.
on the forward
Okay.
button till your page is not reload properly. So
Okay.
go just click
Understood.
on the
Yeah.
forward and forward and forward. Click on forward. Okay. Finish
Okay.
that forward wala button. Just click and click and click. Okay.
Okay.
So you just check on the browser. It's a rendering over there. Now again, it's sending something request. Just follow it. Forward, forward,
Okay.
forward. Do it. Else, beside there is a arrow button. Forward के बाजू में. Click on that
Okay.
arrow.
Drop
Select
down में.
drop down right. Select
Yeah.
forward all
Forward. Okay.
and click forward. Yeah, click forward. Is it? Actually, taking a time. So
Yeah.
it's a better to disable, intercept off.
Okay.
Disable it. Will capture the traffic login का. ठीक है?
Okay.
हाँ. I don't know why you are. हाँ. Okay, okay, okay. Log out.
Yeah.
Log out it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now capture the login page.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Type there anything.
Alice.
Yes. Alice 1 2 3 4 something like anything. Right. And just click on the login.
Receptor on.
Yes.
Open browser.
Yes. See, what do you try? Login done हुआ?
नहीं.
हाँ नहीं हुआ correct. Now click again on Bubsuit. Bubsuit. Click on HTTP history. Okay. Not
Yeah.
necessary to turn on interceptor on because we already sent a request, and
Yeah.
whatever we done that request it capture in history. So check it
Okay.
out here on localhost wala jo host hai, with post method. Don't open browser. Check here, is there any login ka page? url column mein is there any login.php file?
Yes.
Okay, so just open this, double click karo ya single click karo, just click.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what it's showing?
1 minute. Huh?
PHP. ठीक है. So it is not sending any user and password. So it means what? This is my not my proper request. So scroll down
yeah,
in history only. Just scroll down in history. Is there any post method or what? Okay. So in the second
yeah,
column,
yeah. Post.
yes, 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 yes. Click
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
Yep. So look at here again. So I already told you this is a request, and whatever it responding you, that's called response. Okay.
yeah,
It response, if you type a wrong user and password, the response will be responding you back with incorrect password.
yeah,
Correct.
yeah. Invalid
So
username or password.
yeah, right, right. So that response length is what? Check it out on the same history wala tab. The response ka length is 5 to something. Correct, if I'm not wrong.
5378.
Exactly, exactly. Okay. Now I am looking for the correct password wala, length.
Yeah.
If I type their correct password wala length, the length will be changed. If I
Okay.
type here wrong password, length will be same because output is same. Invalid
Okay.
correct password, invalid correct password. So the length of for the response will be same.
Okay.
And the length will be same means what? Incorrect password. So I am not looking for that same length,
Okay.
right? I am looking
Yeah.
for different length. So how to
Okay.
find that different length? Let guess the password. So we'll trying to brute force on the password and user ID. How?
Hmm.
Babsut is helping us to do a brute force attack on
Okay.
intruder tab. So
Okay.
right now we are in a proxy tab. So where is the intruder tab? You know very well, right? Right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
when you click here, no request, nothing.
Okay.
So how to send a request on intruder?
Repeater.
No, no, no. This is go to the proxy. Go
Proxy.
to proxy. Yeah, same, right? This. So right click here on right click on the request. Send it to
Intruder.
intruder. Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Now intruder will be, yeah. Click on the intruder. Yeah, it's a pop up.
Yeah.
Correct.
Pop-up. Yeah.
Exactly. Now here is
Yeah.
your intruder tab. So intruder
Yeah.
means what? You doing a brute force attacks, or
Yeah.
you can crack a password. So
Yeah.
in this case, yeah, there is your entire login cap page. So which
Hmm.
attacks you need to select here for user and password?
Cluster. Cluster bomb attack.
Right, cluster bomb. Cluster bomb help you for two payload ke liye. So here I am targeting user and a password. Before tagging user and password, let click on the clear button. Is there any clear button
1 minute.
on the request?
Yeah. Yeah.
Top of the request, right? Clear, right?
Yeah.
So I am telling you to clear, click on the clear button because it is clearing that tag.
Hmm.
Okay, the tag. So maybe by default some request having tag. So we clearing this tag first, and then adding
Okay.
only two tag for the user Alice and the password, right?
Yeah.
So double
Yeah.
click user Alice. Double click on the user Alice. This is a body part
Yeah.
of the request. This is a body part, right? You can
Yeah.
just double click and tag add karo se. Click on the add button where
So,
position
and
clear
yeah.
ke paas.
Yeah.
Add it. Now do the same for the
Yeah.
password ka part.
Yeah.
Right. Very good. Clear.
Yeah.
Now what we done here? We just added a tag for user and password.
Yeah.
Now the first is your position one, right?
Hmm.
So you
Yeah.
select the payload Alice ke liye hai. Let assume there are two user. Okay, one
Yeah.
is a Bob. Type their Bob user. So you have an idea about username. So you're just trying to add a Bob user in a below wala sections,
Yeah.
right? Yes, 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 yes. There is a add button. Yeah, enter वाला जो है section वहाँ पे click करो नीचे. Yep. Not clicking or what?
It's selected here. Hmm.
Okay. Just click on the enter the new item now.
New.
No, no, no. Yeah. हाँ हाँ दिस वन ओनली सी वहां पे ऐड बटन है उसके सामने एंटर न्यू बट आइटम है इनपुट
Ah. Yeah. Yeah.
हाँ क्लिक करो
But it's not selected. 1 minute. It is stuck.
योर बॉक्सुट इज स्टक एक्चुअली ठीक है
Yeah. Yeah.
हाँ
Yeah.
Okay, good.
What-
Intro.
Go.
Mm. User Bob, right?
Yeah.
So let use only Bob user or admin user. Okay, just keep two user only.
Yeah. Yes.
Right now, just assume we know that there are two user admin and Bob. So I don't know password for admin and Bob user. So what I'm going to do here, let me guess number of password. So what to
Okay.
do next?
I will assume password, right? I will add
Yes.
password.
Yes.
We'll change the payload position, correct?
Yes. You need to change the position. Payload to.
嗯，one, two, three.
Okay. Are there anything like just count 10 at least passwords? 10 or 5? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah,
make sure there must be your password in the list of that password list.
yeah,
So better is to guess exact password. If you are not adding exact password, then it will not guess your password. The password is
yeah,
like Bob123. Okay,
yeah,
Bob123. So keep that password at least second last. Bob, small Bob, right? Small Bob.
yeah.
So why we adding actual password?
I don't know. That is what
Because
I
let
surprised. If I know the correct password.
nice. See, if you don't know password, there are number
Hmm,
of word list, number of
hmm,
thousands of word list here, millions of word list here. Okay,
hmm.
so maybe in that password list, your target password may be in that password list. Just
Hmm.
assuming. If
Okay,
not, the password attack will be failed, or
okay,
password you cannot find the password.
okay,
Okay. Right.
okay,
So this is the concept of brute force attack. So maybe the password exists in our password list, then only the
okay.
password will be success. Password attacks will be successful.
So we are
Otherwise,
taking a
not.
chance.
Yes, we are
Okay,
taking a chance. That's why
okay,
every cybersecurity experts telling us, "Arey, make or keep your password strong. No one
hmm,
can
hmm.
guess it." That is the
Yeah,
reason because anybody can try to guess your password, creating a list of password. So
okay,
there are a tool which we call cup or something like a
hmm.
crunch or cup. Both are a password list creating tool. So
Okay,
where suppose I know your birth date, I know your daughter name, I know your dog name, your ghar name, house name, or your phone number, your birth date. According to that, I
okay,
am giving that input to my tool. So
hmm,
tool
hmm.
will ask me, "Arey Vishal, tell me your target ka name, his nickname, tell me his dog name, tell me XYZ, XYZ, XYZ." So I'm just taking this all information, input it in my tool. That tool will be generating a password list, which
Okay,
contain which having thousands or hundreds of password guessed. So you generate
okay,
random passwords. Maybe one of that password you keep it for your Google or whatever you I'm trying to attack. Okay,
okay,
so they use these passwords which we called password attacks and trying to guess it. Similar. Now here I am adding here exact password. Why? Let let me show you how that process happen. How the
Okay.
brute force attack is happen. ठीक है?
Okay. Okay.
Right. So
Okay.
it just guessing one by one, one by one, one by one, and if there is password, then it is showing you a result. This I want
Okay.
to show you here. Okay.
Okay.
Now done.
Okay.
All is okay. Scroll down,
Yeah.
scroll down. Just keep scroll down. Huh. There is a something here URL encoding wala section. Just
Yeah.
tick it,
I'm good. I'm
untick
good.
it, and yeah, start attack. There's an orange wala button start attack na cluster bomb ke
Yeah,
baju.
but this payload position I should change.
Oh no, you already set a second for the password and first for the user, correct?
Okay. Okay.
Ah, let's start the attack. Click करो. What you done?
No, no. I was just checking whether burp suit is active or not.
अच्छा 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 okay okay okay. Yeah, okay. Click on the okay. Yes. See, do one thing. Minimize your website. Click to minimize. Launch. Click there. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Done. So, the first line is what zero wala, which is
Hmm.
default. You know, your default login. So default login
Okay.
was Alice and Alice 1 2 3 4 something. Scroll down your
Okay.
request wallet tab. So request wallet tab में जाके no request. This is your
Request. Sorry. Sorry.
history.
Sorry. Yeah.
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 So this one is a first request. User is a Bob, and the password is 1 2 3 4. Right.
Good. Good. Yeah.
Ha. Click on the another tab. Another history. Yes. So again, you know it's casing something other user and other password.
Yeah.
Okay. So further response is what? उसका response क्या देखो? Scroll down the response and check output क्या मिल रहा है. Or you can search their incorrect वाला. You know, if you type their incorrect नीचे tab के नीचे ना in search वो option है.
Okay. Okay.
If you type their incorrect, enter.
Sure.
Not find. Zero. Okay. Incorrect. मे बी समथिंग अलग हो सकता है. स्क्रॉल डाउन करते रहो फिर.
Invalid. Let me try invalid.
अच्छा इनवैलिड है. राइट. Invalid, correct. So it's an
Invalid
invalid
also
user and
means.
password, right?
Yeah.
So for you know the status length is what 5377. So
5377.
everyone have a length same like 5377.
Yeah.
So just notice, is there any other length wala request?
446.
Okay, go ahead, click. इट इज रिडायरेक्टिंग टू 302. मतलब रिडायरेक्ट हो रहा है किसी और वेबसाइट पे. डैशबोर्ड लोकेशन इज डैशबोर्ड डॉट पीएचपी. सी इन द रिस्पॉन्स.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So it is redirect on dashboard. So it's giving you access of or authorized access of that website. For what
Okay.
user and what password? From where to check?
Bob 123.
Yes, Bob123. So this is your password. Correct? So you
Okay.
successfully found user and password, and you crack that user account. Simple. You
So
become a
in this
hacker.
response, it
Huh.
is nowhere mentioned that it is valid user ID and password.
Because it is redirecting on another page. So what are another page? Dashboard wala.
Okay.
See, if I am typing a correct user and password, it is not showing me a correct password hai. ये वाला message नहीं
Hmm.
आएगा. Okay,
Okay.
it giving me another page. Which one? Dashboard. So whether it is redirecting me another page, That response giving me 302 error.
Okay.
302 means what? Redirect. 200
Okay.
means what? Successful. So as
Okay.
according to that, 400 means what? You type something wrong in request. Okay. On client side wrong issue. 500 error आया तो क्या होगा? It means server side not responding you. Server having some issue.
Okay.
So you also understand what kind of status code it's showing. If 302, 301, it means redirecting, giving me another page.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so just remember or keep it note. You can note it down in your own book that
Yeah.
200 watt, 300 watt, 40400 watt, and 500 watt. Okay, this is a
Hmm.
status code error message.
Okay. Okay.
HTTP status code error message.
Okay. Okay.
Ah, so yeah, there is a lot of things which we can learn. Okay, server Apache 2.4 also explore. It's showing me that version ka name and Debian. So it is also vulnerability in a
Okay.
response tab. In a response tab, yeah. So there
Hmm.
is another line, third or fourth line, X power by PHP 8.1. So this is also vulnerability. So you can keep it note and again you can say, yeah, this is vulnerability, right?
Hmm.
Content length and so many things is there. So obviously it's vulnerable.
Okay.
That now close your bub suit. We'll use bub suit later. Now let explore another vulnerability also. You're doing very good, huh?
Thank you.
I
Thank you.
I taught you once only, and today you're doing you know yourself everything. Very good.
So I uh, closed Burpsuit. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So see, on the this home page, there is a transfer money wala option, news wala option, and support chat wala option also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So look at the contact wala option in a quick link. Bottom of that, bottom,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Contact. So just click on the contact. Right.
Yes.
So it asking you contact support. I Martin want to contact to 63 SAT bank वालों को. So
Okay.
just type there your name, email ID, and it asking for the IP address. So just type your IP address. Yeah.
Hmm.
Email ID like xyz something at the gmail.com. Not necessary type their exact xyz, right?
127 dot.
Type there anything, any IP address, and send. Okay, what happened? Nothing. है ना?
Hmm.
Okay, nothing. But maybe you can use Bubsuit for checking the response later. But why I am not going to tell you that to use a Bubsuit right here? Not necessary right now. Okay,
Okay.
let explore on browser only for a couple of days. So
Okay.
here is an input like username and email and IP address. So as a normally, let me check. Let me add your username as a Martin again, email as XYZ something again, and IP address same 1237. Sorry. Okay, don't send. Don't click on the send button. Okay. So this is just what they expected. That this website is expected.
Hmm.
But now just open a terminal in your Kali. Okay. Type their ping and IP address.
The one which I gave.
Yeah, yeah, any, and enter. Okay, what it is responding? It is responding. Is it pinging or what? If it is pinging, then okay. Otherwise, this IP address is not reachable. We just assume, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now Control
Hmm.
C. Press a Control C. Okay. Now what I am telling you, add again. Press up button, up arrow button. Keep a space between the IP address and a press semicolon or no semicolon, na?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now type host name, host name, and enter. Control C. Okay. Is it reflecting host name or not? Instead of host name, don't use semicolon. Use pipe. Use pipe. Type their host name and enter.
Kali.
Yes, it's reflecting Kali. So it must be reflect on top wala. Okay, chalo ठीक है कोई ना. So now what happen? When you typing pipe, it take two command. So first command will be execute ping wala IP, and then second command will be execute as a host name. Okay. So
Hmm.
here we are just trying to execute two a command at the same time. Similar work we are going to do on that website also. So
Hmm.
open website, and try to use a pipe and then type any command, any wala Linux wala command. No, 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 not
Yeah.
this. Huh? The second one,
Yeah.
use pipe. I guess you type 3 times 0. Don't use 3 times 0. It's only two type.
Host name.
Uh, Pipe and host name.
Send.
Yes. Okay.
Ping result.
Yeah, it's showing you result of ping is it's showing you a host name. What is your
Hmm.
host name? So
08.
yeah, try another command also instead of host name.
Yeah.
Okay. Like try to check passwd file, which is very sensitive file, and most of hacker looking for the passwd file. You must be type their command how to read passwd file. The file is in a /etc folder. Okay,
Sorry.
that this file is keep in a /etc folder. So
Okay.
as already we had a lecture on OS command injection.
Hmm.
We use a cat, then etc/etc/passwd. So we already read that file. So here we also doing the same. Use a cat first. Command is cat, then space, then /etc/passwd. So what is this? We just reading passwd. So where is a passwd in etc folder? Cat
Yeah.
is for read that file. Go ahead,
Yeah.
send. You type something wrong. Do it again. pass yes का double s है, right?
Okay.
Just click on the this and just add double s. Go ahead. Is it reading
Hmm.
your password file? Right?
Yeah.
Now you are able to read entire contents which is in a passwd, right?
Hmm.
So this is what we done. We just exploited a vulnerability. Which vulnerability? OS command injection. OS.
Okay.
We
Okay.
executing command in operating system. OS
Okay.
command injection. or
Okay.
OS command executions. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you found such a if you found such a vulnerability on a website that where you can execute any command, so that's come under the critical vulnerability.
Hmm.
So if
Hmm.
that vulnerability is found on any you know any like big website, like big in the sense like Spotify, Facebook, Instagram, like such a
Okay.
website, then that critical vulnerabilities will give a bounty like lakh and you maybe the lakh rupees in dollar,
Yeah.
10 lakh, 20 lakh
Okay.
dollar, because this is a
Okay.
critical vulnerability and this must be not on the any website.
Yeah.
So ये इतना easy ना है to find a OS command injection on any big website, but it may be on any normal वाला website के ऊपर हो सकती है, normal website.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो आज आपने एक ही किया ना OS injection ही.
Yeah. Yeah.
Want to try the other also cross site scripting try करनी है.
Yeah.
Okay. Then go to again dashboard.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on blog. Now you find something. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can try. Don't worry, I will give you my another lab also where such kind of vulnerabilities exist.
Publish a post. Hmm.
XSS try कर सकते हो क्रॉस साइट स्क्रिप्टिंग.
Publish.
हाँ हाँ publish. So you just creating a blog and publishing it. Okay,
Hmm.
good, good, very good. Now what kind of vulnerability may be on this page? This is input section, and it store whatever you type. So click on the AGM meeting while line, the first one. You just publish your post, and that
Hmm.
post is stored. No, you done something wrong. Accidentally you click on another page, blog wala page, back जाओ. Anyone can tell me कि what code we can use here.
Hmm.
अच्छा आप बताओ, मैं इन यहाँ पे कमेंट्स में पूछा हूँ. आप बताओ what did we try XSS injection or XSS vulnerability ever?
No. No.
No. Okay. Go. Okay. So just click on back button. Go to back. Go back, and then try for what I get a payload in a comment. Check it out. Copy करो. Stream yard पे जाओ. हाँ हाँ स्ट्रीम यार. Comment वाला section.
Yep.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to again that same website. Make sure title is just simple. Keep a simple title. Okay. And content is what I given. Paste it here. Okay. Bi-directional is not enabled in your Kali. So you cannot copy outsider wala contents here. Type there. Okay. Type there.
Yeah.
What-
Yeah. I will
Let,
type it.
हाँ, कॉपी नहीं हुआ है. Close. Alert. Type alert
I'm not sure.
in bracket 0 bracket complete. Click on OK.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
That's it.
alerting you a pop-up message. Okay, 0 wala.
Hmm.
So this is called XSS vulnerability, cross-site scripting. So cross-site scripting is usually find in Java vulnerabilities में Java vulnerability or
Okay.
JavaScript vulnerability. So whether you type there any Java script JS script, then if it is executing, it means what? There is excessive vulnerability, cross-site scripting vulnerability.
Okay.
So in cross-site scripting vulnerability, there are again two to three types: store, reflect, and DOM vulnerability. So we'll do this later, but right now we
Okay.
just I want to understand what is excessive vulnerability, how it's found. Most of bug hunter use excessive vulnerability to find it on given target URL. So most of
Okay.
time they found it. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes. Click on the OK button. So see on the URL a PHP question mark ID equal to 4 दिया है.
Four.
So
Yeah.
this is the vulnerability again SQL injection वाला. हम उसके ऊपर भी SQL injection try कर सकते हैं. Can find a SQL vulnerability. अब यहाँ पे ना बहुत सारी चीजें हैं भी. There are number of things. What we
Okay.
tried bypass authentication. We tried for transfer the money. We tried for OS command injection, cross-site scripting vulnerability, XSS
Yeah.
vulnerability. There are IDR vulnerability, uploading section vulnerability. So many things are there. How to test in a website? Very
Hmm.
complicated. No. हम लोग सोचेंगे very complicated. नहीं. So just make sure that you are creating a list. Now, first vulnerability which I want to check is this and this and this. So make sure the
Okay.
create a priority, make a checklist, add a
Yeah.
vulnerabilities name, and then one by one find it.
Okay.
If it is finding, then okay. If it is find, then okay. Otherwise, next and next and next.
Yeah.
This is a step to find a vulnerability on any website. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's a 9:25, I guess. If you
Yeah.
want to continue, it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
We can.
Let,
But
let us
if you
stop.
want to,
We will continue tomorrow.
yeah. Okay.
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 Chalo, ठीक. You want this,
Okay.
sir?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, bye.